Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can get Hogwarts Legacy for free, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to get Hogwarts Legacy for free on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Epic Games, you're going to go on to epicgames.com and you're going to log in with your account here. And once you log in with your account, you'll be redirected to the home page here and you're just going to scroll down, click on Hogwarts Legacy here, or you're just going to search for Hogwarts Legacy. Here it is, just click it. And here you can see I already have it in my library, but you'll have a get button here. You're going to click on it and then you'll get Hogwarts Legacy registered on your account. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to get Hogwarts Legacy for free. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.